Has this ever happened to you?
Oh wow. I'm screwing this, but it's not moving. I'm trying to screw it, but it will not screw. Whatever shall I do?
Then you, my friend, need the screen and a screw.
Oh my god, whoa! This is so much better! Screw you! Whoa! Dude, that's sick! It only works with these magical words. Give me some words.
Screw you.
Screw you. Stop that right this instant and screw in further. Piss off.
Its lightweight and compact design is perfect for everyday life. You can use it at the beach. Surf's up. You can use it while playing video games. Sup, gamer? Even at family reunions. Hey dad, screw you. You need the scream and screw. I endorse this product.
Hold it up, ding dong.
Screw you.